Hey there, Upstate home buyers. We have looked at so many houses this year, and we are super excited to pull some of the best together and show you what we have to offer. Take a look at this week's video. Hey, when I first talked to you earlier, I mentioned that there was something interesting about this house. Now, not every house has one of these, and definitely not homes that are built recently, because almost every new home that is built on a slab, which then eliminates the opportunity to have more space, more storage, more places for hangout, more places for people to stay. This house has a hidden gem, and here it is. It has a basement. A basement that goes out to a sunroom, that goes out to the backyard, and you've got a half bath down here as well. So really, if you wanted, this could be guest quarters, second bedroom, or a fourth bedroom. You don't have a shower down here, but you do have the space to put one in if you wanted to add a shower. Again, super quiet down here. It's dark if you want it to be dark, but it's got enough windows that you can open up and make it nice and bright. Double doors here to step out to your patio. This is a sunroom, so to speak, or a Florida room. I mean, this is a space that you could use year round. It's very well done. Very nice.
Love the accents right there.
Yes. So, I mean, this gives you some added security. If you notice, there's also bars on the windows over there, but it's not tacky. It's done well, it's classy, and it goes with the extra decorations they have. To his right, my left, you've got a what would be a formal dining room. Now, here's one of the characteristics I was talking about before. We haven't seen these in a while, and in fact, we were kind of worried about what it was, but this is one of these weighted lights that if you push the weight up or bring the light down. So if you have a lower sitting table, it's kind of cool actually.
Got a lot of character.
It has some character, but also, you know, there is inlaid lighting in the ceilings throughout here too. So you've got a lot of options if you want to just turn on one or the other. And this is a fairly large dining room space. To me, I would put a round table here. I think it would look so cool with a round table, maybe a couple of pieces of furniture to the side. And then this chef-inspired kitchen. I'm a cook. I love to cook. I love a kitchen that has plenty of space. And here's the big thing for me. I like for the stove to be across from the sink. I'm gonna be able to cook, do some chopping, turn around, wash my hands, rinse them off, and then get right back at it. These beautiful, beautiful countertops. Look at that marbling in that. Nice and smooth, and the gray has just enough blue tint to pick up the two-tone cabinets. Gavin, did you pick up the blue cabinets down here on the bottom? Behind all of these, you also have storage. Look at that. So if you think there's not enough storage in this kitchen, you're wrong. There's a ton of space. Of course, it has a gas stovetop, oven, beautifully hidden hood, and then brand new Bosch appliances. Of course it's brand new. I keep saying it's brand new because this house is brand new. It's never been lived in. It's freshly built. In fact, they're probably still working on a couple of things here and there, but check out these appliances. Awesome microwave oven. Like you've never seen the inside of an oven before. Let me show you one extra feature that's gonna make this entertainment area even better. This huge screened-in porch. Now, sliding glass door, but this door just keeps going. Look at that. Suddenly we've brought the outside inside, but it's fully screened in. Beautifully stamped concrete, screened on two sides, fan, electricity out here if you want to put a Christmas tree or decorations. On a cool evening, fall, spring, open these doors, and now suddenly you've got a huge, huge space for gathering with friends. Let's take a look at what else is offered. I'm gonna go to the kitchen. Now, there was a little small door between the that flex room and the kitchen, another glass door, which I think is awesome. So you might have seen a little bit of this, but check out this space, this black countertop, the gas stove, the subway tile on the back. That's tile, that's not the peel and stick that you see in some of the newer homes or in the cheaper flips when they try to get away without spending so much money. This kitchen is fantastic. It's really, let's say you're a blogger, or you're a kitchen, not a kitchen expert, but a food person that does like food, content. Thank you, Gavin, I couldn't think of the word. What if you're doing content? Could you imagine setting up at this angle, maybe even Gavin, why don't you go that way? Like setting up, having this in the background and the space. It's so bright, it's inviting, it really is. You may feel like this is a small kitchen where everything is within reach, but it doesn't feel that way to me. And I like a big kitchen, but the fact you've got a huge refrigerator unit right there, tons of cabinet space.
Yes, this is exactly what I was about to say. Yeah. And then you can also have your little coffee bar over there.
Yeah, and it's lit too. A lighted coffee nook, and then tons of cabinets. I mean, this looks out over the backyard. Look how cute this little breakfast nook is. Little cutout, great chandelier, a great space to just have your coffee. Then as we come in, right off the front is the garage. This is a great garage. Go ahead and show it, because this one is got finishes that we don't typically have. We're gonna be in the camera. Hey guys, that's Gavin. I don't know if you've gotten to ever see him, but there he is. Hey. They finished the floors in here, which is a great upgrade. This helps with slip. This helps with cracking. It helps with everything. It makes it look better, obviously, but has a lot of benefits to having this done to your garage floor. It's really a common thing. The previous owners had this obviously as a gym. You may have seen a video 2 or 3 months back where I was in here working out in a suit, and so go find that video on Instagram. Let me know if you find it. But they set this up with all the different things for working out, space, mirrors. He even added some lighting above it over there. They had one car they parked in here, and then they've got this awesome storage rack, which is, I mean, I only weigh 115 pounds, so that's right. The room that we're gonna end in is my number 2 favorite room. Here's the master suite, right off on the main floor. Huge space, high ceilings, lots of natural light, big windows that you can then put your bed against that wall, or that one. Really, you've got choices. You've got a lot of space. But then you have this huge bathroom with 2 separate vanities, not a double vanity, but one on each side. Big linen closet, that's actually a walk-in linen closet, and then a private wash closet. Take a look at that shower. One feature that I like, we don't see that much, but it is having a high window in a shower. I think it's nice to have that extra light. And technically, it really gives you another shelf if you wanted to use it for that. But check this next spot out. So you're probably like, where is the primary closet? Where did they put it? Is it this one? Of course not, that would be silly, but that is a decent size linen closet. I mean, now if it were me and my wife, that would probably be my closet, and then this would be hers. Check this out. It goes both sides here. Now this is obviously the ladies' side because there's a lot more space. You got your shoe shelves, your drawers. You really don't even need dressers or chest of drawers in the primary bedroom. You've got the space right here. And now we end our tour in, we'll say, my second favorite room because it's just perfect. It's a great layout. I'm gonna open the primary bathroom again, but check this out. Right through this door into the laundry room. Yes, I know, it doesn't make any sense. I said laundry room, but it's fantastic. Look how pretty this is. They even went ahead and did that nice leather finish on the sinks in the laundry room, not just a typical utility sink. You have a ton of storage. Look at these long cabinets here. You've got pullouts. You could also switch that over to hanging if you wanted to use that as spots for dry cleaning specifically. But you've got a ton of space and of course, soft close. So many great houses to check out this year, and we have more coming, so make sure you like and subscribe so you can see when we put out the newest houses in the upstate of South Carolina. So whether you're 8 days or 88 days from moving, across the street, across town, or across the country, we're here to help. I'm David Jones, and I'll see you in the upstate.